In this video, we're going to look at how we can calculate the area of a composite shape. A composite shape basically means it's two or more shapes that have been put together to form a new shape. Looking at the shape on the left-hand side, I can divide it into two simpler shapes. The one on the left I'm going to label A, and the one on the right I'm going to label B. The dimensions of the rectangle B are 6 by 3. The one on the left, I'm missing the base dimension, but I can work it out knowing that the whole shape has a length of 9, and this section here has a length of 3. So 9 take away 3 gives me 6. I now know that the base of A is 6 centimeters. So in order to work out the area of the composite shape, I need to work out the area of both A and B. The area of A is 3 times by 6, which is 18. The area of B is 3 times by 6, which is also 18. And to find the area of the composite shape, I add these two answers together. 18 add 18 is 36. The units, since every dimension was measured in centimeters, will be centimeters squared. 36 centimeters squared is the area of the composite shape. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So to start, we need to divide this into two simpler shapes, shape A and shape B. The area of shape A is 7 times by 4, which is 28. The area of shape B will be 6 times the base. I can see that the whole length of the composite shape is 9, and this section here is 4. So 9 take away 4 gives me 5, and that means that the area of shape B will be 5 times by 6, which is 30. The area of the composite shape is then the sum of these two areas, so 28 plus 30 is 58. And same thing again, centimeter squared. Since all dimensions were measured in centimeters, its area will be centimeters squared.